In this video, we will see some basic annotations of TestNg framework. Basic annotations on the flow we can see here. Okay, now I'm going to create one example. I'm going to create one package and class. Directly I'm taking class. Here I can give package name com.app.testng. Examples TestNg annotations examples annotations example. So this is some package I have created. Then I am creating here an example. So GmailAp test. Okay, so I'm using TestNg, right? No need to click on public static void main. See, we have created here with the package and the class name. What I am doing here means, so I am showing some basic TestNg annotations with the flow. So which annotation will run first, and next what annotation, the priorities and all we can see here. First we need to initialize the WebDriver, right? For that I am creating one method, public void initialize WebDriver, some method. Okay, within that method you can write the code. I will show you this code after some time. Just the flow we can see here. First, next step is what? These are the steps we need to follow. So first initialize the WebDriver, and then we need to delete all cookies. So public void delete all cookies. So this is another method. After that have another method. We need to launch the GmailApp, right? For that we can write public void launch GmailApp. So this is another method. We need to write the code for this actually. Just I will show you the example with just the system.out.println to understand the flow of this priorities, annotations and all. Okay, this is for what? Initializing WebDriver, Control C, Control V to know where we are. Next, CISO delete all cookies, Control C, Control V. Sorry, to write within the double quotation. Then here also CISO, Control space, within the double quotation you can write launch GmailApp. Right, next public void Gmail login, so this is for what functionality we are executing here? Login functionality. Next, public void, after login what we need to do? Send mail text. Okay, send mail text. Okay, CISO, Control space, enter. So what action we are performing? Send mail. Next, public void logout we need to do. Public void log out. So right here C, CISO, control space, then enter logout. This is for logout. Then what we need to perform? Then again we need to log in. Then again we need to write. So this is what we need to do. So to syntax, first initialize WebDriver, delete all cookies, launch GmailApp, then Gmail login, send mail text, then logout. This is one session. Then another test. So another test is receive mail text, public void receive mail text. Here CISO control space, what operation we are performing? Receive mail test, control V. Then after receiving it, what we should do? Then again we should do logout. Already we have a logout, right? Logout function. Then close GmailApp. So GmailApp we need to close. For that we need to write public void GmailApp. So this is another method. To close that GmailApp. Okay. Next, close all browsers. Public void close all browsers. Then CISO control space enter. So what action we are performing here? Control all browsers. For that we need to write the code here. Just I am showing printing all the thing here. Next, finally kill the WebDriver. This is another step. Control space, Control C, Control. So these are the steps we need to follow. Okay, what are the steps we need to follow? See here, shortcut is what? Control Shift Control F. So arranging good format. So first step, initializing WebDriver, then delete all cookies, launch Gmail, Gmail login. After login, send mail test. After that we need to log out. Okay, log out we need to execute. This should execute. Then again it should log in. Then receive mail test. Then again log out. Finally close the Gmail test, GmailApp, and close the browser and kill the WebDriver. In this format we need to execute. So what annotations I need to use to execute all those things in the flow? So first I'm using @before suit. This is pursuit, before suit. Next, delete all cookies before test next before test, and launch GmailApp. Launching before class, we need to use before class. Launched before class, it is launching. Next, login means before method, the rate before method. Next, send mail. So this is the test we are performing actually. This is the main functionality we are testing here. So what we are testing? Send mail test, right? So this is test, actual test. Test at the rate test. Okay. So here we have two tests, right? First test is send mail, another test is receive mail. So first what method we should execute? So first send mail should execute. So that we are giving priority here. Priority equal to 0. First it should execute. Next, in the next cycle it should execute. So this priority is 1 I am giving. Next, so after testing, then it should come to logout, right? So for that what I am doing? So Gmail logout. For logout, I can view at the rate after method. After method logout. Next, at the rate after method logout. After class, close GmailApp. After class, close GmailApp. Next, after test, close all browsers. After test, close all browsers. Next, at the rate kill WebDriver. After suit, kill WebDriver. See here. Before suit, what we should do? Before shoot, initialize WebDriver. Finally, before suit, after suit. After suit, kill WebDriver. Okay. Before suit, after suit. Before test. Next, after test. Before test, what we are doing? Delete all cookies. After test, what we should do? So close all browsers. Next priority. Before class, then before class what we are doing? Launching GmailApp. After class, close GmailApp. Okay. Next, after before class. Next, before test, Gmail login. Next, after test, before test. Next we have after test. Close all browsers. After test. Okay. Next, after test. Next, before class. What we have? Before class means after class. Close GmailApp is after class. Next, before test. So not before test, this one, before method. So before method. At the rate before method we should write. Okay, these all are from import org.testng.annotations package. Okay, after before before class, after, before method, after method, before method launch GmailApp, after method logout. Okay, next, so these are the steps, these are the actual test. Send mail, receive mail. So every time this will repeat, okay, but it will perform this action, this test. Okay, that we can see in the output so that you can understand easily. So first priority starts from suit level, then test, then class, then method. So this is the flow. In the console you can see so initialize WebDriver, delete all cookies, launch GmailApp, then Gmail login, send mail text, then logout. One thing is completed. Second thing, again login GmailApp, receive mail text, then logout. Then close the GmailApp, close all browsers, then kill the WebDriver. These are the steps we can see here. Okay, so now see the process flow. So first, what method will execute? Before suit method will execute. Next, before test. Next, before class. Next, before method. Next, test method based on priority. After that, after method, then after class, then after test, after suit. Okay, this is the flow. In that way you can use this all basics annotations of TestNg. Thank you all.